Onto the side, Sam Paras getting that corner shot. Walked in. Kitang-kita yung pwesto ni Soy, no? Nandun sa corner. Paras, turnaround jumper! Well, that was a hook shot. Here's a floater, no good. Paras with the offensive rebound and put back. He's a man amongst kids. Kick out. Saw top of the key three. No good. But Paras is there for the rebound plus the foul in the basket. Rebounded by Paras. Again scoring. To steal. Finds Saw, corner. Step back three. Still no good, but Paras is there to get the rebound. And
dapat pakinggan, wag kang paiilang. Pag nanalo mamato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinaminado. Kahinaan di tinago, niyakap ang pagbabago. Nakinig sa mga payo, at dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa film.
here's Paras, post move. Bam! Man, I only see that in the NCAA or UA.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post, mga mo.
Yancy Cooper, and that's Paras drawing the foul. And walked in, rushing too much. Forgetting their strength is Paras. Set up play ang kailangan nila gawin para makapwesto si Paras. First free throw. Masyadong malakas yung pasa ni Paras dun eh. Ayan na naman! Kakain na! Sam Paras. Grabe yung mga galaw niya talaga eh. No? Parang, ano ba?